Hello, welcome to my channel where I discuss easy zucchini recipes that are easy and time-saving. If you're looking for healthy and tasty zucchini recipes for you and your friends, you'll find them here. Zucchini is available in dark, light green, and white spotted variants. Green zucchini are tightly connected to yellow squash, a hybrid vegetable with a bright golden yellow or deep orange color. Squashes are classified into two types, winter and summer. Although there are some similarities and benefits between the two, there are a few key differences. Summer squash have low glycemic index sources because they are lower in calories and natural sugars and starch than winter squash. Both forms of squash are high in vitamin A and C. If you are gluten intolerant and want to avoid wheat or any form of grain, zucchini is a wonderful substitute. The soluble and insoluble fiber in zucchini can make you feel full, suppressing your appetite and causing you to eat less. Because obesity and heart disease risk factors are frequently associated, it's fortunate that zucchini can aid in weight loss. Low sugar and low carb diets have been shown in studies to be useful in body weight management because they have a good impact on insulin and other hormones. Thyroid and adrenal function are improved by zucchini. The thyroid and adrenal glands are both glands in the body that regulate metabolism, the heart, and the overall health. Zucchini, particularly in the peels, promote and support the activity of these two glands. The adrenal glands have the highest concentration of vitamin C in the body and must have it to function properly. Zucchini and other squashes are primarily composed of water and carbs, notably polysaccharides. Summer squash contains a high concentration of pectin, a type of useful polysaccharide associated with improved cardiovascular health and the capacity to naturally decrease cholesterol. If you have any recipes that you want me to cover on this channel, let me know in the comments below. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a quick and delicious zucchini hash brown. Let's get right into it. Baked zucchini hash browns are a delicious way to incorporate vegetables in your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'm excited for you to try these zucchini hash browns. Zucchini recipes are popping up all over the place these days, from zoodles to zucchini fries and now zucchini hash browns. These delicious zucchini hash browns are a more healthy and low-carb version of traditional hash browns. They are made with zucchini, eggs, garlic, butter, parmesan cheese, and salt. We all love potato hash browns, but unfortunately they are loaded with carbs. That's where our keto hash browns recipe comes in. Easy to make and delicious, zucchini hash browns are a great breakfast, brunch, or side dish. They are low in carbohydrates, which is perfect for the keto diet. You can enjoy them any time of the day. That is why we created this tasty zucchini hash brown recipe. You now have the opportunity to create a new memory for your children because they will adore your baked zucchini hash browns as much as you adore your mother. Because zucchini is high fiber, low calorie, and zero fat, it's an excellent substitute for higher glycemic foods such as pasta and potatoes. It is also high in nutrients such as vitamin B6, riboflavin, folate, potassium, manganese, and vitamin C. Zucchini contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that have been shown to improve digestion by reducing constipation and preventing ulcers and colon cancer. Toxins that accumulate in our bodies because of natural processes can cause inflammation over time, resulting in signs of aging. The good news is that the harmful effects of these toxins are mitigated by nutrients found in zucchini, which protect against cell damage and inflammation and can help slow the aging processes. Zucchini can also aid in weight loss, insulin resistance, blood sugar management, and heart health maintenance. Here is some nutritional information that you might not know about. As previously stated, zucchini hash browns are high in nutrients and low in carbs. Zucchini is a popular summer crop with numerous health benefits. It's a delicious way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet, Even though it contains carbohydrates, it has a low net carbohydrate content. It is one of the most nutritious vegetables to include in your diet. If you're not already convinced, here are some other reasons why you should add it to your diet. It improves digestion, slows down aging, lowers blood sugar levels, improves heart health and circulation, improves eye health, and it's known to boost energy. These zucchini hash browns can be served in any way you would serve regular hash browns. But here are a few of my favorites, like poached eggs on top of zucchini hash or hash brown mozzarella avocado grilled cheese. Drying the zucchini. Zucchini releases a lot of water, so you need to wring dry the zucchini before mixing it with the egg and cheese. To do this, first, salt the zucchini and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. The salt will help draw out the water. Pour out the excess water, then wring dry the zucchini using a cheesecloth or similar type cloth. How long it will take to prepare baked zucchini hash brown. Prep time, 30 minutes. Cook time, 20 minutes. Total time, 50 minutes. Below are all ingredients you need before cooking baked zucchini hash brown. 2 zucchinis, half an onion, salt to taste, half cup parmesan cheese grated, 1/3 cup chives, 1 teaspoon oregano dried, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 egg. Follow the instructions below to execute a perfect baked zucchini hash brown. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Places a baking sheet in the oven as it heats. Use a box grater to coarsely grate the zucchini and onion. Step 2. Place the grated zucchini and onion into a large mixing bowl. Sprinkle with salt, toss, and set aside for 20 minutes. The salt will draw moisture out of the zucchini. Step 3. Strain the excess moisture out of the zucchini by placing the zucchini mixture onto a kitchen towel and twisting it tightly. Squeeze the towel and drain the liquid into a separate bowl and discard the liquid. Step 4. Place the strained zucchini mixture back into the large bowl and add the remaining ingredients. Mix until well combined. Step 5. Form patties out of the mixture and place them on a plate. Remove the heated baking sheet from the oven and spray with cooking spray. Place patties onto a baking sheet and press gently. Return the baking sheet to the oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until the underside is golden and crispy. Flip hash brown patties and continue to cook for an additional 15 minutes. Serve warm. There you have it! Easy peasy baked zucchini hash brown. Nothing helps me out more than you watching the entire video, so thank you for being here. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this recipe, and if you want me to cover other zucchini recipes. I'll see you in the next video. Here's to your healthy meal. Bon appétit!